Om Shri Gurubhyo Namaha Harihi Om Gananaham Tva Ganapatigum Havamahe Kavim Kavinamupamastravastamam Jeshtarajam Brahmanam Brahmanaspata Anasrinvan Utibhitsi Dasadanam Prano Devi Saraswati Vajebhirvajinivati Dhinam Vitrayavatu Ganeshaya Namaha Saraswatyai Namaha Shri Gurubhyo Namaha Harihi Om Shuklam Baradharam Vishnum Sasivarnam Chaturbhujam Prasannavadanam Dhyayet Sarva Vignopasantaye Yasyad Virada Vaktradhyaha Parishadhyaha Parasatam Vignam Nighnanti Satatam Vishvaksenam Tamasraye Gurur Brahma Gurur Vishnu Gurur Devo Maheswaraha Gurur Sakshat Parabrahma Tasmai Shri Gurave Namaha Yam Brahma Varunendra Rudra Marutaha Stunvandi Divyaihi Savaihi Vedaihi Sankapadakramopanisadaihi Gayanti Yam Samagaha Dhyanavastita Tadgatena Manasa Pasyanti Yam Yoginaha Yasyantam Na Viduhu Sura Sura Gana Devaya Tasmai Namaha. With Bhagwan's grace, we came up to Slokam number 2 in 18th Adhyayam. Sri Bhagavan Uvacha Kamyanam Karmanam Nyasam Sanyasam Kavayo Viduhu Sarva Karma Palatyagam Prahuhu Tyagam Vichakshanaha. Going to Slokam number 3. Some wise people say that action itself, like evil, must be given up. Some others say that the actions of prescribed sacrificial rites, penance and charity must not be given up. Tyajyam doshavati iti eke karma prahu manishinaha yajnadana tapak karmaha na tyajyam iti cha apare. Tyajyam doshavati iti eke karma prahu manishinaha yajnadana tapak karmaha na tyajyam iti chapare. Tyajyam doshavati iti eke karma prahu manishinaha yajnadana tapak karma na tyajyam iti chapare. Padangal are Tyajyam doshavati iti eke karma prahu manishinaha yajnadana tapaha karmaha na tyajyam iti cha apare. Eke manishinaha. Some wise people, some elders, some wise elders, karma doshavati, karma action itself, doshavati is evil. Why action itself is evil? Because action promotes ego, right? If you don't do it properly, it promotes ego. So karma doshavati, the action itself is evil. Therefore, another way to understand it is karma action doshavati like evil. You can look at it that way also. Like evil, tyajyate, to be given up. Prahu, so they say, eke manishinaha. Aparecha, yet some others, yajnadana tapak karmaha, yajnam danam tapam, the activities associated with sacrifice, with charity and with purification activities, these are na tyajyam iti, they should not be given up. Tyajyam doshavat eke karma prahu manishinaha yajnadana tapak karmaha na tyajyam iti chapare. Slokam number 4. My dear Arjuna, you are the best among Bharatas. You are the best among all men. Among the subjects of renunciation and sacrifice, hear from me now what sacrifice is. Sacrifice has been explained to be of 3 types. Nischayam srunu me tatra tyage bharata sattama tyago hi purusha vyagra त्रिविधः संप्रकीर्तितः। निश्चयं शृणु मे तत्र त्यागे भरतसत्तम, त्यागो हि पुरुषव्याघ्र त्रिविधः संप्रकीर्तितः। निश्चयं शृणु मे तत्र त्यागे भरतसत्तम, त्यागो हि पुरुषव्याघ्र त्रिविधः संप्रकीर्तितः। पदंगल आर निश्चयं शृणु मे तत्र त्यागे भरतसत्तम, त्यागो हि पुरुषव्याघ्र त्रिविधः संप्रकीर्तितः। Bharatasattama, the best among the Bharatas. Purushavyagra, the best among all men. Tatra, among those two, the sannyasam and tyagam. Tatra, among those two, tyage, about tyagam, about the sacrifice, me nischayam, may my nischayam with certainty, my firm considered opinion, that my perspective of that, shrunu, here, listen. Tyagaha, the sacrifice, trividaha, three types. Thus, samprakirtitaha has been said, has been described. Nischayam shrunu me tatra त्यागे भरतसत्तम, त्यागो हि पुरुषव्याघ्र त्रिविधः संप्रकीर्तितः. Slokam number 5. One must not give up the actions of sacrificial rites, penance and charity. They deserve to be done. These actions help in purifying the mind and expanding the hearts of men who discriminate between the permanent and the temporary. Yajnadana tapak karma na tyajam karyameva tat. Yajno danam tapaschaiva pavanani manishinam. Yajnadana tapak karma na tyajam karyameva tat. Yajno danam tapaschaiva pavanani manishinam. Yajnadana tapak karma na tyajyam karyameva tat, yajno danam tapaschaiva pavanani manishinam. Padangal are yajna dana tapaha karmaha na tyajyam karyam eva tat. Yajnaha danam tapaha cha eva pavanani manishinam. Yajna dana tapak karma. Yajna, the activities associated with yajnam, danam and tapas. Natyajyam should not be given up. Tat, those activities, that, how should it be done? Karyameva, they are deserved to be done. Yajnaha danam tapaha cha eva, yajnam danam and tapam, manishinam, for the wise elderly people whose buddhi is very strong, who are buddhi strong meaning discriminating ability between the permanent and the temporary, they understand. For them, what do these activities do? They pavanani. They actually purify them. They make them pure and more pure. They become more and more loving and less selfish. Yajnadana tapak karma natyajyam karyameva tat. Yajno danam tapaschaiva pavanani manishinam. Slokam number 6. My dear Partha, even these and other similar actions must be done without desiring the actions or their results. This is my firm and sacred opinion. Bhagavan himself is teaching. Tyaga Yogam is what Bhagavan is teaching us right now. Yetan yapi tu karmani sangam tyaktva phalani cha kartavyani iti me partha nishchitam matam uttamam. Yetan yapi tu karmani sangam tyaktva phalani cha kartavyani iti me partha nishchitam matam uttamam. Yetan yapi tu karmani sangam tyaktva phalani cha कर्तव्यानि इति मे पार्थ निश्चितं मतं उत्तमम्. पदங்கள் are एतान अपि तु कर्माणि संगम त्यक्त्वा फलानि च. कर्तव्यानि इति मे पार्थ निश्चितं मतम् उत्तमम्. पार्थ एतानि कर्माणि अपि, एतानि these कर्माणि activities, and not only these activities like these, okay, there are so many of them. Sangam, with those activities, sangam means junction, attachment to the activities themselves. Also palanicha, and also the rewards, the results from the action, both should be tyaktva, giving up the attachment to the actions as well as to the results of the actions, giving them up. Kartavyani iti, yeah, they should be done. These activities have come, so they must be carried out. And Bhagavan even describes elsewhere, he has taught us in Bhagavad Gita, do all the activities as worship to me. You know, work is worship. That's all it is. Okay, nothing more, nothing less. Kartavyani iti, that kind of approach you take, that is my Nishchitam, firm and certain, Uttamam, sacred, exalted, Matam, opinion. Etanyapitu karmani sangam tyaktva palani cha kartavyani iti me partha nishchitam matam uttamam. Slokam number 7. Giving up the prescribed daily duties is not correct. Not doing them due to confusion and attachment is called tamasic sacrifice. So tyagam is of 3 types. Now Bhagavan is talking tamasic tyagam. Niyatasya tu sannyasah karmano nopapadyate mohat tasya parityagah tamasah parikirtitah. Niyatasya tu sannyasah karmano nopapadyate mohat tasya parityagah tamasah parikirtitah. Niyatasya tu sannyasah karmano nopapadyate mohat tasya parityagah tamasah parikirtitah. Padangal are niyatasya tu sannyasah karmanah na upapadyate mohat tasya parityagah tamasah parikirtitah. Niyatasya means something that has been prescribed on a daily basis, whether we do worship or do brush your teeth, whatever that we do, take a bath, so many things are there on a daily basis. So niyatasya karmanah tu, these are daily activities. Sannyasam, that means in this case to renunciate them, to renounce them. Na upapadyate, it is not correct, it is not appropriate. Mohat, due to confusion. Tasya, there, parityagaha, to giving them up due to confusion. That is called, that sannyasam is called tamasam parikirtadaha. It is described, defined as tamasic tyagam, tamasam. Now, niyatasya tu sannyasah karmano nopapadyate mohat tasya parityagah tamasah parikirtitah. Slokam number 8. Giving up action because it is sad or because of the fear that it is difficult on the body is rajasic sacrifice. One will not achieve any results by giving up actions like this. Dukkam iti eva yat karma kaya klesa bhayat tyajet sa krutva rajasam tyagam naiva tyagapalam labhet. Dukkam ityeva yat karma kaya klesa bhayat tyajet sa krutva rajasam tyagam naiva tyagapalam labhet. Dukkam ityeva yat karma कायक्लेश भयात् त्यजेत स कृत्वा राजसं त्यागं नैव त्यागफलं लभेत. पदंगल दुःखम इति एव यत् कर्म कायक्लेश भयात् त्यजेत स कृत्वा राजसं त्यागं न एव त्यागफलं लभेत. Dukkam iti eva. Oh, it is only sad, it is only painful, it is only misery. Thinking like that. Kaya klesa bhayat, also being afraid that it could create difficulties for one's own body. It could be difficult to do, it could be tiresome to do, whatever the reason may be. Kaya klesa bhayat, being afraid of exertion on the body. Yat karma, which activity Tajet is being given up by one, being given up, Tajet, Saha hi Rajasam Tyagam, the Rajasic sacrifice, Krutva, doing Rajasic sacrifice, Tyaga Palam, the rewards and the results of the sacrifice, Na Labhete Eva. He will not attain them. Will never attain. Absolutely, he will not attain it. That's what eva means. Na labhet eva. Dukkamityeva yat karma kaya klesa bhayat tyajet sakrutva rajasam tyagam naiva tyaga palam labhet. Now Bhagavan tells us what is a sattvic tyagam, which is what we really want. So there is a do and a don't. The don'ts pertain to tamasic and rajasic, and do pertains to sattvic. Giving up attachment to action or its results, but still doing the daily prescribed actions as duty. For loka sangraham, for the welfare of the world, you do the prescribed duties. That is called sattvic. Sattvic sacrifice. Slokam number 9. Karyamityeva yat karma niyatam kriyate arjuna sangam tyaktva palam cha eva sa tyagaha satviko mataha. Karyamityeva yat karma niyatam kriyate arjuna sangam tyaktva palam cha eva sa tyagaha satviko mataha. Karyamityeva yat karma niyatam kriyate arjuna sangam tyaktva palam cha eva sa tyagaha सात्विको मतः. पदंगल आर कार्यम इति एव यत् कर्म नियतं क्रियते अर्जुन संगम त्यक्त्वा फलं च एव सः त्यागः सात्विकः मतः. अर्जुन संगम फलं च एव. Sangam, attachment, palam, desiring the results, tyaktva, giving up. Karyam iti eva. This activity must be done, deserves to be done. With that attitude, yat, which niyatam karma, that means the daily activities, kriyate is being done with this attitude. Satyagaha, that tyagam, that sacrifice, satvikaha is satvikam. Mataha, thus it is considered. Karyamityeva yat karma niyatam kriyate arjuna sangam tyaktva palam chaiva satyagaha satviko mataha. Slokam number 10. A balanced person with well-developed discriminating faculty and harboring no doubts neither abhors actions that are not scriptural prescriptions, charity and penance, nor attaches to those that are. It is not attached to the actions. That's what Bhagavan again emphasizes. Slokam number 10. Na dveshti akushalam karma kushale na anupanchate tyagi sattva samavishtaha medhavi chinna samsayaha. Na dveshtya kushalam karma kushale nanupajjate tyagi sattva samavishto medhavi chinna samsayaha. Na dveshtya kushalam karma kushale nanupajjate Tyagi Sattva Samavishto Medhavi Chinna Samsayaha. Padangal are Nadveshti Akushalam Karma Kushale Na Anupajjate. Tyagi Sattva Samavishtaha Medhavi Chinna Samsayaha. Sattva Samavishtaha. One who is full of sattvic gunam, sattvic tendencies, sattvic thinking, so many, everything, Bhagavan, we have described it so far. Very balanced mindset that reflects on his life completely, speech and action and thinking and everything. Sattva Samavishtaha, that person, not only that, Medhavi. Medhavi means his buddhi is very strong. He is aware of the difference between the permanent and the temporary and attaches himself to the permanent, which is Bhagavan, Medhavi. Chinna Samsayaha, whose doubts and vacillations, they're all gone. They're all completely removed because of his complete faith and firm holding on to, because of his Medhavi, holding on to something that is permanent, which is that permanent entity. Because of that, his doubts are all gone. That person, that Tyagi, what does he do? Akushalam karma. Even the unprescribed, non-prescribed activities, in this case you can say they are not yajnam, danam, tapas, okay, not those kind of activities, whatever way you want to understand that. Okay, even that, Natveshti, he doesn't abhor them, okay. He doesn't mind, he does not disturbed by it, he is not provoked by them. They come, he actually does every activity that comes his way as worship to Bhagavan. That's the attitude that's so important. So, Nadveshti, Akushalam Karma, Nadveshti, he doesn't abhor them. Kushale Karma, when the prescribed duties come, the Nitya Karmas and everything comes, what does he do? Na Anusharjate. He necessarily does not attach himself to that either. He neither abhors nor likes. Nadveshtya kushalam karma kushale nanu pajjate tyagi sattva samavishto medhavi chinna samsayaha. Slokam number 11. It is not possible for the person with a sense of body attachment to give up actions entirely. But he who gives up the desire for results of actions is called a person of sacrifice. Now this is something we can do. Slokam number 11. Nahi deha bhrita shakyam tyaktum karmanya seshataha yastu karmapalatyagi saha tyagi abhidhiyate. Tyagi iti abhidhiyate. Nahi bhegabrita shakyam tyaktum karmanya seshataha yastu karmapalatyagi sa tyagi iti abhidhiyate. Nahi bhegabrita shakyam tyaktum karmanya seshataha yastu karmapalatyagi sa tyagi iti abhidhiyate. Padangal are na hi deha bhrita shakyam tyaktum karmani aseshataha yaha tu karmapalatyagi saha tyagi iti abhidhiyate. Deha bhrita, people who have got attached to the body, who got the body consciousness, body attachment, body identification, right? And attachment to the body is what deha bhrita means. Aseshataha means completely, without leaving any residue, completely. Karmani, activities and the actions. Tyaktum, to give up the actions completely for people with body attachment and body identification. Nahi sakyam, it is not possible. Na sakyam, not possible. He, isn't it? Two, but yaha, who karmapalatyagi, who gives up the desire for the results of the action, knowing fully well the results will come. Data is Bhagavan, but not desiring the results. Karmanyeva adhikaraste ma paleshu kadachana. Bhagavan taught us in Sankhya Yoga, right? He's repeating that here. One who is practicing that and does not desire the results of action, karma palatyagi, who does that? Saha hi, tyagi iti, he is the tyagi. Abhideyate, he is called a tyagi. Nahi deha bhrita shakyam tyaktum karmani aseshatah yastu karma palatyagi satyagi satyagi iti abhideyate. Let us do one more. Slokam number 12. For the person who does not give up the desire for results of actions, three types of results, pleasure, pain, and a mixture of the two happen when he leaves the body. For the person who gives up the desire for results of actions, such results do not happen. Slokam number 12. Anishtam ishtam misram cha trividham karmanaha palam bhavatya taginam pretya natu sannyasinam kwaschite. Anishtam ishtam misram cha trividham karmana palam bhavatya tyaginam pretya natu sannyasinam kvachite. Anishtam ishtam misram cha trividham karmanah phalam bhavatya tyaginam pretyana tu sannyasinam kwaschite. Padangal are anishtam, ishtam, misrancha, trividham, karmanah, phalam, bhavati, atyaginam. That's the way we should break it up. Bhavati, atyaginam, pretya, na, tu, sannyasinam, kwaschite. Atyaginam, people who do not give up the desire for the results of their actions as taught by Bhagavan in Sankhya Yogam. Ma paleshu kadachana, karmanyeva adhikaraste, ma paleshu kadachana. People who do not follow that, they are atyagis. For them, pretya, when they leave the body here, what happens? Anishtam, ishtam, misrancha. Anishtam. Ishtam means something that you desire. We all desire happiness and pleasure. Anishtam means exactly opposite of that, misery. Ishtam, anishtam you can say pain. Ishtam is pleasure. Anishtam is misery. Ishtam is happiness, whatever way you want to say. Misrancha. And the combination of the two. Trividham, three types. These are the three types. Karmanaha palam, the results of their action, bhavati, happens. Sannyasinam too, but the people who do the tyagam, as Bhagavan described, not desiring the results of the action, but they still carry out the actions as worship, what happens to them? Kvachit na, like this, never happened. These three things do not happen. Anishtam, ishtam, misram cha, trividham karmana palam, bhavati atyaginam, pretya, natu sannyasinam kwaschit. Om Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Harihi Om. Samasta lokaha sukhino bhavantu. Samasta lokaha sukhino bhavantu. Samasta lokaha sukhino bhavantu. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Harihi Om.